Good morning, children. 6th standard. How are you? Today I am going to give you the answers for geography lesson, that is resources. Okay. Just take your term 2 book. Term 2 book, page number 151. Roman letter 1. The exercise is Roman letter 1. You have match the following. Natural resources, international resources, reduce, reuse, recycle. Non-renewable, universal resources, secondary activities. First one, natural resources, direct answers is forest. Second one, ambergris. Third one is sustainable development. Fourth one, minerals. Fifth one, air. And sixth one, manufacturing. So this is direct answers. Match the following. I gave you the direct answers. Understand? Then Roman letter 2. Fill in the blanks. First one, sugar. Second one, careful. Third one, localized resources. Fourth one, actual. Fifth one, commercial. Sixth one, primary activities. Understand? Here match the following. I gave you the direct answers. Natural resources, forest. International resources, ambergris. Reduce, reuse, recycle, sustainable development, non-renewable minerals, universal resource, air, secondary activities, manufacturing. And fill in the blanks. First answer is sugar. Second one, careful. Third one, localized resources. Fourth one, actual. Fifth one, commercial. And sixth one, primary activities. Have you understand? Then, Roman letter 3. Write short notes on the following. Shall I rub the board? Children, just take your book along with one notebook. Then only you can copy. You don't have the direct answers in your book. Can you able to follow then? So, whatever I am writing on the board, you have to copy in the classwork notebook. So, take your term 2 book as well as one classwork notebook. Then only you can write the answers clearly. Because you don't have the direct answers in your book. Okay. Now, that is Roman letter C. Write short notes on the following. First question, renewable resources. Answer. The questions you have in your book, in your term book, understand? So, I am writing only the answers. Can you able to follow? Or else for this alone, I will write the question also. Renewable resources. First one, first question. This is example for you, a model. This is the question. Can you able to follow then? The answer, I'll write it on the board then. First one, answer. After conception, resources can be renewed. Resources can be renewed with a period of time is called renewable resources. Is called renewable resources. Example, air, water, sunlight. Air, water, sunlight. Okay. This is first short answer. And second one. Second one is what? Human resources. Human resources. Answer. Second one, human resources. Okay. Human resources are groups of individuals human resources or groups of individuals who use nature to create who use nature to create more resources. Create more resources. Example, human beings. Okay, now third one. Individual resources. Answer. Individual resources answer. Individual resources or resources privately owned by individuals. Example, apartments. Can you able to follow? Is it not? Okay. Individual resources are resources privately owned by individuals. Example, apartments. Then fourth one, tertiary activities. Fourth one. Yes, correct. For this answer, tertiary activities. Tertiary activities are basically concerned with the distribution of primary and secondary products through a system of transport and trade. Example, banking, trade and communication. Okay, yeah. Tertiary activities are basically concerned with the distribution of primary primary and secondary products. Secondary products through a system of transport and trade. Transport and trade. Example, banking, trade and communication. Can you able to follow? So these are the short notes. Write short notes. First one is renewable resources. Second one is human resources. Third one is individual resources. And fourth one is tertiary activities. Next we'll pause on to give brief answers for the following. Have you understand, children? Can you able to follow then? Shall I rub the board? Shall I clean the board then? Can you see? Have we take it down? Okay. Next, we'll pause on to short answers. Give short answers for the following. This is only short notes. What is meant by that? What is meant by human resource? What is meant by renewable resource? What is meant by tertiary activities? Understand? And the mari adoda meaning mattum dhaan nama eludano. But now we are going to write about the short answers. I am going to give you answers for short answers. Understand? Okay, in the next class, I will give you the short answers. Okay, children, bye.